What's up, guys? If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop a video like this. On today's video, we are going to be looking at the tools that we need to start our YouTube automation. If you are new to this channel, you might go and watch the other of my video when I show you guys how I want to start a YouTube automation from scratch so that you guys will going to learn. So on this video I'm going to be sharing to you guys the tools that we really need for this YouTube automation, absolutely free tools. So the first tool that we're going to be using is called vidIQ. vidIQ is what we're going to be using to be doing our keyword research. And another tool that we need is called Writer. Writer, after getting our topic from vidIQ, we are going to be using Writer to write our script. So we are going to be needing Writer because Writer is 100% free. To be using is called Your Voice. I mean Your Voice. Your Voice is what you're going to be using to do voiceover after getting your script on Writer. So lastly, we need video editing software, which I recommend you guys use Canva. Canva is one of the best editing software that you are going to be using for this YouTube automation.